Excuse me, I have a problem.
Yes, sir. What's the problem?
My laundry.
Oh, no, you don't come here. We deliver it to your room.
They did. They were just in my room, but this isn't mine.
What's your room number?
1711.
This is your room. What's your name?
Davis, Jeff Davis.
This is your name. Do you have a red shirt?
Yes, but this one doesn't belong to me.
What about blue pants?
Yes, they look like mine, but they're not.
Mr. Davis, your room number, your name, they look like your clothes. It must be your laundry. Oh, boy.
If this is mine, we have a small problem.
Small clothes, big problem.